Talgo is a leading company in the design, manufacture and maintenance of high-speed light trains. Thanks to our innovative DNA, we have reached the main markets, and through open innovation, we are seeking for solutions towards our industrial processes in 4 areas: automation of supply and warehouses, manufacturing resource planning, traceability of assets, and automation of quality inspections. Taking part in BIND 4.0 is an unparalleled chance to cooperate with the best startups on a win-win basis. We are eager to grant access to the railway sector to new startups so they can become Talgo reference suppliers, as well as contribute to a large ecosystem of industrial startups. We are looking for motivated and bold startups for building upon long-term partnerships that could help us to solve our immediate challenges and contribute to the future of the railway industry. If you want to be part of tomorrow's clean mobility, we are waiting for you.